Next, let's connect your domain. That's the web address people will type to visit your site. In the top toolbar, click Connect Domain, and then click Get Domain. That'll bring us to this page here, which may look familiar. We skipped over this during the onboarding flow earlier in this video. You have two options here. First, you can claim a domain. You'll get one free if you purchased a 12-month plan or higher. Or you can just buy one. Alternatively, you can connect an existing domain if you already own one. Either way, the process is the same right here. In this bar right here, search the domain you want to connect to your site. In my case, that'll be thegentlekettle.com. Here I can see that it's available, and because I purchased a 12-month plan or higher, it shows up as free for the first year. I'll go ahead and select this. Then click Next. Next, you'll need to register your domain. Go ahead and enter your information. Then when you're done, click Finish Registration. When it's done, you'll get a confirmation saying the domain was added to your site. Now, it also says don't forget to verify your email address. You need to do this so that you can actually keep using your domain name. Otherwise, they'll freeze it after 14 days. So go to your inbox, find the email from Hostinger, and verify your email address. When you've done that, you'll get a confirmation saying your email is verified. And if you return to the Hostinger tab with your domain added to your site confirmation and click Continue, you'll be routed back to the website editor. And if you look at the top right, you'll see that your new domain name is now connected. Now, keep in mind, this can take 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate. So if it doesn't work right away, just be patient.